Hi guys! Welcome to this video. Today we are going to solve question number 9 part B of the 047822 February-March 2023 past paper. The question is, a shop that sells books has set up a new database table called Booklist to store book details. Part of the table is given. Part 1. Give the name of the field that would be used for the primary key. Part 2. State the reason for choosing this field for the primary key. To solve this question, let's first understand what a primary key is. A column can serve as the primary key if it uniquely identifies each row in the table, meaning it must not have any duplicate values. Additionally, a primary key must not contain any empty or null values. Now, let's carefully examine the given data to find a column that meets these two conditions. We can clearly see that the catalog number field contains unique values like BK01, BK02, BK03, and so on, whereas the other columns have repeated entries. This confirms that catalog number is the primary key for the given table. Excellent! Our answer will be that catalog number is the primary key because it's different for every book and identifies each record uniquely, and it doesn't have any null value. Thank you for watching. Please share, like, and subscribe. See you with the next question. Have a nice day.